Well, we scored big at Black Friday at Harbor Freight. So, I'll show you what we got here. Went out and got myself the Bauer 7-inch angle grinder with rotating body. So this part rotates. What you would rotate it for, I don't know, but I'm going to find out. 7-inch, got a 36 grit Type 27 sanding disc. And then I got me a couple of 5-packs of the 7-inch cutoff wheels. They're 1/16 of an inch thick. So that will work out pretty good, especially for cutting bigger stuff like this as opposed to the 4.5 inch. I'll be able to cut all the way through instead of having to rotate it, cut down some time. Pipe thread, and these are cheap anyway, but come in super handy. And then I also got me a industrial air filter regulator. So that is going to go with that big boy over there. Once we get all this cleared out again. So that kind of became a train wreck because we had a emergency situation with those. So not those in particular. I had to get those, but we had to make room. So anyway, all this at Harbor Freight, Black Friday, and I thought they were out of these, but I looked down on the bottom shelf all the way in the back, and boom, last one. So I'm pretty happy about that. Anyway, new shop tools, and then we got to get a couple more things for that. And down here, I'm actually going to put some wheels on this so it's easier to move around, because this thing's a pig. It's like 247 pounds. So, but typical stuff. We're going to be working on a organization solution. We got it opened up, but then it became a mess again. Had to move a bunch of crap to get some other things out. So anyway, got ramps for sale. I can build you some, whatever dimensions you want. So if you're interested in something like that, get a hold of me. My email's in the channel description, and we can get something figured out and built for you and shipped out to you. So let me know on that. And we're actually going to be building a fountain. The missus wants a water feature to use in her smoker videos. So we'll have a video coming out, but that's the design of it. So got a lot of things going on. I got a lot of stuff coming in. I need to get some stuff going out. So we still do have a big surprise. It is ordered. We're just waiting for it to arrive. And then we're going to do a video on that, on putting it together and how to use it. It's going to be a big learning curve for me. So I'm not very techy. I'm all thumbs. Anyway, stick around. We'll show you what we got. Thanks for watching.